What's up, my fellow MLP and has-been hotel fans? It's Cody Aussie Alistair Fanbrony here, and today this is going to be another different kind of video. I'm going to be showing you guys how you can make free internet calls to anywhere in the world, whether it be Australia, the United States, the United Kingdom. So here, let's look at the pop-down list here. You can call anyone like in Antarctica, Bulgaria, Chile, China, Colombia, Greece, Hong Kong, Japan, Kenya. You can call for free on PopTalks.com around the world. That is if you have an account. If you don't have an account, the number of calls you can make is very limited. And this is very useful if you've lost your phone. So if you ever lose your phone, make sure you got all your phone contacts written on a piece of paper beforehand. You can contact your friends and family, tell them you lost your phone and you're using this website called PopTox until you find your phone, until you get your phone back. I've used this website a few times before when I've lost my phone. I happened to use it yesterday because I couldn't find my phone. I was looking away for my phone yesterday morning before I went to work. I couldn't find it. I just called my phone from there. So of course, I'm not going to be an idiot and show you my phone number here. I am going to censor it. So simply enter the phone number and click on the call button to start your first free call. There's a few other things here you can read about on the site. So I'm going to block this now. So 61, that's the area code for Australia. So I'm going to block this right now with a picture of Alistair. So let's do it. Didn't need to add the zeros, the area code is already there. Okay, so I've entered my phone number. You're going to want to click on call, and so you'll just wait for a minute. Okay, just hang up. Okay, just wait. Look at that. Okay, now let's answer it. Hello.
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 My name is Cody.
My name is Cody.
The Aussie Alistair
Alistair
Fanbrony. It's simple as that. And if you don't have an account, you can only make a limited number of calls. But if you sign up on PopTalks, you can make as many friggin' calls to any mobile or landline number in the world. It's a great website. If you ever lose your phone, just keep in contact with your friends and family. It's really freaking cool. PopTalks.com. This has been a tutorial on how you can make free, unlimited, if you have an account, phone calls to any mobile or landline number. Leave a like on this video if you enjoyed it. Comment and subscribe down below while you're at it. Make sure you got notifications on so you don't miss out on a single video of mine. I'm Cody the Aussie Alistair Fanbrony, and I'll see you guys later.